How you doing? My name is David Johnson. I am the owner of Grill BEAST Barbecue Accessories. So the reason you are on this video should be because you received this in the mail with a piece of paper that showed you the link to get to this website. And the reason we sent you this free of charge was because you own one of our Beastly barbecue mops. Okay? So what we did, because we didn't really care for this cotton head, so we've been putting our heads together and we came up with a solution to replace this with silicone. So it lasts, it doesn't get all dingy and nasty looking and all that, easy to clean and all that kind of stuff, right? So I'm going to take and do a few of these to show you how to replace your silicone, or you replace the cotton with the silicone. Okay, so I'm going to kind of go through it, I think full speed at first, just so I can kind of do it, because this is like take 3 or 4, because I keep trying to walk through it at the first round, and it's harder to do it slow than it is to do it fast. So I'm going to do it just regular speed first, and then I'll do step by step. Okay, so this part I'll do step by step. You just loosen the head up, and when you get it all the way loose, you just put it back in the hole and you just push on the head. Doesn't take much pressure, just push on the head just a little bit, and it helps get this black piece out. Okay, the cotton part you just throw away. So then you have 2 pieces, bam and bam. Then you take your silicone out and you wrap it around. Like I said, I'm going to do this kind of full speed, just so you can kind of see how easy it really is. Okay, oops. Okay. There you go. See that? It's a nice silicone mop now. Okay? It's still a sauce mop. Okay? It's not for thick sauces. It's for thinner, like vinegar-based sauces, butters, and like basting and things like that. Right? It's a sauce mop. It's not a sauce brush. Okay? But it's silicone, so now it's easy to clean, just like the sauce brushes are. Okay, so I did one. You saw, I mean, that probably took 15 seconds. I don't know. It's very quick and easy. So let's do another one, right? So you just take and unscrew the head, right? When you get near the end, you just take, push, and it loosens the head up from inside of the cone, right? You pull that off, throw it in the garbage, put that aside. You grab your bag, and you can open it from the end or you can just rip it open. It doesn't really matter. Okay? Throw that aside. Now, I'm going to do this step by step. Okay? So then you put that there. You keep it up against that edge. You wrap this around, you keep just a little bit of tension, and you make sure it stays, so you make sure the whole time that it stays up tight against this, okay? So, like, it's hard to do this slow because it's so easy, okay? And then once you get it there, right, you just kind of keep tension on it and you just start wrapping it around just like that. And turn this. Don't do it like that, okay? Turn this part. It makes it simple, okay? So just keep turning. And like I said, you keep it up against that edge, okay? So then you see how it kind of, let me see if I can get this in the camera right. See how it kind of sticks out just a little bit? Well, that's what's going to hold the pressure to keep it into the cone, right? So then when you're sliding it underneath the cone, you just push down to push the silicone. See? And so you push the head in there by pushing the silicone, okay? There you go. And you just push it up in there. See, look. Isn't that beautiful? And then you just take screw it on there. See? You go like this. See? It doesn't come out. You're set. So let's do another one. I'm going to do one more like this, and then I'm going to do one. I think I'm going to do it like where you can see over top my head. So you just loosen this up, right? Unscrew the head, get that out, and then you take and you push the head out. See? Doesn't take too much pressure. See, that came off easy. That came out easy. Get yourself another one of these. You open it up. All right, then you have your little hula dress here. Okay. Take your first one, you wrap it this way. Once you overlap the other end, then you just want to turn the head and let the rest wrap around it, okay? All right. So this is a nice unedited video. I'm just shooting this on the fly. And then you just take, on the end, when you're pushing it back in this hood, you just want to push down so it goes underneath of the stainless steel there, right? And you just start pushing on the silicone. The silicone being up against that one lip is what pushes the whole head in there, okay? So, there you go. See? Nice and easy. There you go. All right? See? It holds together. Now, this time, I don't know how this is going to work. Let me see if, I don't know if it works better. You know what? I'm just going to do another one just like this. All right? You just loosen the head. All right? You push down. It pops the head out of the cone. There. You pop this off. Throw it away. Set aside. Bam. Here you go. See? Now, you just start turning, keep tension on it. You don't want to stretch it like this. I mean, you can, but it doesn't help, like, it doesn't benefit you to do it that way. It can handle the stretching, but you don't need to do that. You just want to keep a tug on it, all right? There you go. And again, you just push down on the silicone so it goes underneath the hood, right? And you push on the silicone part. You don't push on this part, you push on the silicone part to help it get into the, and once it gets so far, then you're home free. Put this back on. Hold on, right there. There you go. All right. All right, so that is it. All right. So, that's it. Look, we truly appreciate you putting your faith in us and our tools And as we come up with improvements, we'll get them out to you. Like this was an improvement that we came up with after the fact. And so we want everybody, you know, not just the future customers to have the benefit. We want existing customers who already put their faith in us to have that same benefit. The silicone part really changes the game and makes it a much better mop. A lot better to take care of and everything. Just all the way around, it's a better mop like this. So hope you enjoy your mop better by having a silicone mop head. And again, my name is David Johnson. If you need anything, have any questions, don't hesitate to call us or send us an email or whatever. Anyway, peace out. Talk to you all later.